Let's take a look at the section together talking about wedges. This is the fifth of your simple machines, and that starts with problem number 23. So in this application, it's talking about a shear, and it says that at 2,000 pounds of force is being applied in a downward fashion. And a shear is going to be probably hooked up to some sort of hydraulic application, and it's going to be cutting some material, usually some sort of metal. So in this case, we're going to be looking at dimension here. It tells us that this is 0.25 inches, and then also we know that theta here, this angle is 45 degrees. And so what that's going to tell us is also this is 0.25 inches. So that's what your diagram should look like for problem number 23, and I'll work through that. 24, we know that we're going to be using Pythagorean theorem, so in that case we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And from there you should be able to plug in the information, and you know the length of those two sides of the triangle. So what you're really trying to figure out is you know, what this certain distance is going to be right in here. So you know that this is 0.25, you know this is 0.25. So plug in the numbers and you should come up with an answer in inches. 25 deals with mechanical advantage. So for 25 we know that MA is going to be equal to L over H, or the length over the height. You know those dimensions, so you should be able to plug that in. And the final one, number 26, what we're looking at there, it says how much resistance can be overcome by the shearing machine. Well, we know that mechanical advantage is equal to the resistance over the effort, but we kind of have to rewrite that. What we're trying to figure out now is the resistance, and the resistance is going to be equal to MA multiplied by the effort. So once you figure out what the mechanical advantage is, and you know, you take a look at that problem, plug in some numbers, you should come up with an answer, and that's going to be in pounds. So give those a shot, have them ready to go for class tomorrow.